What's going on, team? Eric back here with Photos Training Academy. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how I find my bounce and rejection areas. Guys, if you haven't already yet, please like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. It really helps out the algorithm. And you guys, let's get right into it right now.
You guys, this is a very, very simple game to play. If you want to make money, like legitimately 90% of the time, and I'm going to show you exactly where to cut your losses. I'm going to show you exactly where to pull your gains. Guys, this is a simple, simple game, but yet people make it so difficult to follow by. Now, I'm going to show you the exact watch list I built out. So this watch list, if you're part of the VIP community, this watch list is sent out about 15 to about 10 minutes before the market opens every single morning. If I don't send out a watch list, that means I don't see a lot of opportunity in the stocks that I'm playing. So, let's go ahead and look at the first one here, which is going to be, let's see. So Tesla, okay? So, or actually SPY. So SPY reject for puts at 414.20 or 417.50. SPY is sitting in a range we need a breakout to happen, and I believe the downside is going to be a big move, okay? So I thought, you know, the move to the downside was going to be huge, and I was like, all right, bet, cool. Let's get into it. So, coming over here, let's look at SPY. Did it ever hit 414.50 for a nice rejection for puts? And if it didn't, that's okay. That is okay. We just skip out on it. We don't cry about it. We're like, oh, it never went up to 414. You guys, I can't predict the market exactly where it's going to be every single moment of every single trade that we take, right? So let's bring this up to 414. Obviously, it didn't hit, okay? Obviously, it didn't hit. 414.50. Never came up here. Guess what? Walk away. There should be no reason for you to get into a position, right? There should be no reason for you to get into a position if it didn't hit your price. So it never hit the price, 414 or 417. I thought we might have seen a spike up here once market opens, but I guess not. So let's look. Then we move on to the next one. That's okay. Okay. Tesla rejection for puts at 875 or 880. That was my call out. 8 minutes before the market opened. Okay, sorry for the pop-ups on Discord. Part of these weird Discord communities, I don't even know why, honestly. So, first off and foremost, where did I get the area 875 or 880 for Tesla puts? Where did I get that? So, I took the top of this right here of Tesla, right, where it rejected, and then I took the bottom of where I saw it bounce, right? So bounced, rejected, okay? So I got my levels based off the 874.57. I rounded up to 875.50. Now let's see what happened. If we took it down to the 4-hour time frame, oh, and first off and foremost, you guys, I want you to know why I was bearish on Tesla. Because CCI shifted momentum towards the downside, this was a very, very big move towards the downside coming, I believe. And I was like, all right, I'm going to be short on Tesla. I'm not going to be long on it. Obviously, yesterday's momentum was shifted towards the downside. Nice hammer candle, bearish hammer candle, and I wanted to play those puts. So, go to the 5-minute time frame. Boom, right there. Could have taken those rejection for puts. Cashed out big money all the way down to 855. From 876 or even 875 if you entered right there. Now, guys, these moves happen so intensely fast, like crazy fast. They move so fast. So you have to be reactant. You have to understand where you're putting your money and how you're throwing your money down on the table to play these moves. And they're really nice because this move could have made you about 50% right there. So easy 50 to 100% cash out for Tesla puts if you took it. Held your runners, boom, boom. You could have cashed out even more if you held it all the way down to here or even up here, whatever the case may have been. Or if you sold everything here, totally fine. And then what was the next one? The next one was GameStop. Yes, GameStop. What did I say? GameStop rejection. GameStop reject puts for 44.20 or 44.50. Okay, so let's take a look at GameStop. This is easy, you guys. Easy game. Play the easy game, baby. All right. So GameStop was a little bit more of a challenge. This was kind of a weird one. Okay. So this was definitely a weird one because the 44.20 was up here, never hit, went up to 43.20. Could have played the reject, but again, it never hit the price. So guess what? Boom. I'm staying out, not playing it. So far, 1 for 3 has hit. NVIDIA was a reject for puts at 175.50. And you guys, you have to wait until it gets up to those levels. You watch price action movement. If it starts slowing down around those levels, get into your position. Okay, NVIDIA 175.50. Rounded up here, it never hit. Okay, great. You sit out. So 1 out of 4 of those stocks hit, and you could have made money. Okay, so that's how you play my pre-market watch list, you guys. It's very effective, 90% win rate. Alongside with my scalp and day trades, I hold now about an 86% win rate. It fluctuates by the weeks, you guys, depending how many I win, how many I lose. Yes, you guys, I am a trader. I do freaking lose money in the stock market at times, but I make more money than I lose. And that's what counts at the end of it, you guys. If you're going to have a trader that tells you that they never lose in the stock market, they're bullshitting you, they're scamming you, and you're probably in the end run just setting yourself up for failure mentally. Because if you're a trader, and every single trader knows this, you will take losses in the stock market. Okay, so you got to accept the losses. So it never went up. Boom. You know, even though it dropped, could have been a good play overall. Now again, if you guys watch my one of my videos back in the past, I talk about the strategy, guys. This could have been an easy entry strategy for NVIDIA puts. If you used a 1 minute time frame with the stochastic slow and the 9 and 21 EMA, guys, this is where my bread and butter is, you guys. This is where I make my money. This is where, you know, I cash out big time. It's kind of almost like buying a bounce play or rejection play, but more with confirmation. So this could have been a really good play right here, and you could have made some money towards the NVIDIA, towards the downside. But again, we're in a choppy market, so don't be surprised, you guys. We hit some bangers too. Let's recap real quick on the earnings, baby. Dude, I'm so excited for earnings. Like, I don't know. I've been nailing earnings like crazy. So that was my pre-market watch list. We also, I've been sitting on cash. You know, I didn't take many trades, and this is kind of like my positions. Very transparent with everything that I post. Coin. I think Cammy called out Coin today. All right, who wants to get on voice? Blah, blah, blah. And you guys can see all this stuff, okay? So in Roblox puts, 46. In plug puts, 24 strike price. Gamble earnings. I'm in win puts. I'm also in TTD with Hammy. So yes, you guys, we freaking pulled out TTD. Banger, 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 baby. Wait, what did I call fucking Coin? I'm in plug Roblox. Oh, I'm in coin puts too. Everybody was going long on coin. I was short on coin. Roblox and TTD is going to pay big freaking money tomorrow. So far, my technical analysis on my earnings is an 85% win rate, which is absolutely insane. Let me know if you guys want me to. If you guys get 100 likes on this video, how about I tell you? I'll tell you what. If you guys get me to 100 likes on this video, okay, I will share my full in-depth strategy on how I play earnings and how I've been doing with earnings in the past 2 weeks. So far in the last 2 weeks, you guys, I've called out earning plays, and I am so far right now, if everything stands as it is, I will be 17 for 19, okay? I say 85% win rate because there were some of them that were kind of flukes. You know, I did come out profitable, but then, you know, it was like 20%, so I don't really count them. So that's why I say 85% win rate. But 17 for 19 so far on the earning plays. Roblox, you know, we're about to print. Print on Roblox. Fuck, man. This shit's going to print. Same with TTD. And actually, I'm going to post. I'm going to post right now, as you guys can see live on here. So Hammy called out TTD. I took it with him. I agreed exactly with TTD what they were doing, or with what he was playing for, and I was just like, all right, dope, cool. So right there, you saw me just post it. TTD trade desk, guys, we're printing heavy, 18% towards the upside. We can check out. Let's check out plug. Let's see what Plug's doing. Just to run with all of you guys to see exactly, is Plug dead? Get people messaging me, man. I love Sean, brother. He's an amazing guy, amazing guy. So Plug is down, you know. Plug is down. Not crazy down. We also played, what else did we play? What else did we play? So we hit Coin. Oh, yes, Coin. Everybody was so long on Coin. I don't even know what it's doing now. Oh, what the hell? Coinbase. Coinbase is dead. So we're going to nail Coinbase too. As you guys can see here. I'm posting all of them. So Plug, Coinbase. So far on earnings we're 1, 2, 3, 4. What else? Oh, Win. Okay, so Win 2 we also played. Let's post that shit real quick. Baby, we're going to be 5 for 5 on earnings, man. Dude, Win is drowning too. Did I only call 5? So Win drowned. Okay, so you guys can see here, very transparent before the market closed. Like I told you, Roblox puts, Plug puts, Win puts, 65, Coinbase puts, TTD calls. What else did we play? What else did I call? I swear I called out a few more. I guess not. So 5 for 5 on earnings. You guys, we're hitting bangers. But anyways, you guys, so that's what I wanted to share with all of you. If you guys want to know exactly how I have been playing my earnings in the past 2 weeks, where I'm 17 for 19 on my earnings, you guys. Yes, only messed up on 2, which again ended up coming back in my direction by Friday, 0 days till expiration, and literally printing. So that's why I'm not counting those. You guys, literally, get my video to 100 likes. If you guys get this video to 100 likes, and if you watch this full in-depth, you guys, I will legitimately post my full in-depth strategy and how I play earnings in the stock market and how I've been succeeding at them in the past 19 of them that I've played. So let's roll, you guys. If you haven't already yet, like I said, you guys, get this video up to 100 likes. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that notifications bell. Keep my videos on notifications if you guys want to keep up to date with them. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video.